Mga blessed, today is it's early morning. I walking like 7:30. This is our private pan. I just want to stop by Daddy Steve fourth date anniversary yesterday, and this is the first time I feel like I can see like Daddy Steve go in heaven with God. It's hard to let him go, but to his fourth anniversary, I want him to be happy. It's been 4 years. I don't want to let him go in my heart. But today I want to let him go to be with Papa Jesus and Mama Mary in heaven. Rest in peace, honey. Go with your mom, your dad, my mom. My mom waiting for you. My dad waiting for you. My grandparents waiting for you. Your mom and dad in heaven waiting for you. Rest in peace. God will guide me. Mama Mary will guide you, and you guide me. You are my angel. And believe. I love you, and take care. Rest in peace, Daddy in heaven. Plant purple flowers to me in our favorite color, purple. Because your favorite color is orange, because your last color is orange. Rest in peace, honey, and love you so much. Fly high with Jesus and Mama Mary. Amen.